Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have the new super coupons. New super coupons. No, not starting till the 14th. I feel like that question comes up a lot, but starting on the 14th, still have super coupons going through the next few days. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing and hyping, maybe checking out the merch store. And let's just go ahead and jump in, starting with Bauer 5 amp 9-inch variable speed drywall sander. $100, $50 off. Excellent deal already. 33% off. That's an excellent deal on this drywall sander. Hercules alert. 15 amp 66 pound 1 1/8 inch hex breaker hammer with max vibration control. 530, $120 off, and we will do the math at $120 off of 650, 18.5%. Not great, not terrible. A true 3.6 Rotkin deal. We have Bauer 10 amp 5-inch deep cut variable speed bandsaw, $20 off, normally 110 down to $90 compared to DeWalt. More Hercules 9 amp variable speed surface conditioning tool, $40 off. Also a good deal, $40 off of 140, 28, almost 29% off. Solid deal for corded. There is sometimes, I think it's 30 to 40% off all corded Hercules and Bauer tools that they've done before, but this at 29% off is right there. So good deal compared to Eastwood. Then we have Bauer 7 amp 4.5 inch slide switch angle grinder, $23, 23% off. Bauer again, 8-inch variable speed bench grinder with LED work light, $120, normally $130, $10 off. That is 30,000 Rotkin, unless you absolutely need it. Bauer again, the 15 amp 14-inch portable concrete pull saw at $260, normally $300, $40 off. Then Central Machinery's 20-inch 3-speed high velocity fan, $45, normally $60, 25% off. Solid deal. I have Warrior 6 amp rotating handle variable speed reciprocating saw, $22, 21% off, normally $28 compared to Porter cable. More Warrior 18 volt cordless 3/8 inch drill kit with battery and charger, $25, normally $30, 16% off. Then Central Machinery, the 35-gallon high flow, high capacity 5 micron dust collector to $220, $80 off. I like that. That is a decent deal on dust collectors. I know some of the HARBROs always looking into getting a dust collector. Here's the one from Central Machinery at $80 off of $300, 27% off. All right, so far some decent discounts on super coupons. And this is going to be just after the parking lot sale ends. So the parking lot sale goes through the 13th, and these super coupons are starting on the 14th. So this is just after, if you missed the parking lot sale. And to be honest, it does look like they're going to be extending the parking lot sale. So just FYI, if you miss it, you'll still have a chance via super coupons for these deals. We continue. Bauer 1600 watt 12 amp 14 temperature dual speed heat gun, $25, 28% off, only $35 compared to Cobalt. We have the Bauer premium auto detailing accessory kit for wet dry vacuums, $20, 33% off. Great deal if you have the Bauer auto detailing. If you have one of their vacuums already, great discount on the accessory kit. Bauer again, 1/3 horsepower 9-inch bench top band saw at $160, normally $180, $20 off. Bauer again, 3-inch by 21-inch sanding belts 3-pack, your choice, $549, 31% off. Brand new alumina oxide 40 grit. We have the 200 pound capacity portable work stand, $22, normally $27, 18% off. The Warrior rotary tool accessory set, 276 pieces, $14, normally $19, 26% off. Hercules alert again. This is compared to DeWalt. The Hercules impact driver bit set, 45 piece, down to $18, normally $23, 21% off. Central Machinery coming in again, 16-inch variable speed scroll saw, $100, $30 off. That's a decent deal. $30 off of $130, getting us to 23% off. So solid deal. Hercules 30-inch long mixing paddle, your choice of spiral, heavy duty, or parallel, $13, 18% off. Hercules, again, 4-inch to 5-inch surface grinding dust shroud, 33 bucks, 17% off. There's a Bauer 14 TPI bimetal reciprocating saw blades 4-pack, 9 bucks, 18% off. Bauer micro cleaning accessory kit for wet dry vacuums, 9-piece. So a smaller kit at $5.49, normally 8 bucks, 31% off. Then Hercules 44 and 7/8 inch by half-inch cobalt bimetal deep cut portable bandsaw blades 2-pack, available in 10, 14, 18, and 24 TPI, 15 bucks, 25% off. And then the Bauer 5-amp 14-gauge metal shears, 50 bucks, normally 65 bucks, 23% off compared to DeWalt. Then we have Pittsburgh lifetime warranty screwdriver set, 8-piece, 8 bucks, 20% off. The Pittsburgh's raised panel combination wrench set, 14-piece, your choice of SAE or metric, $20, 20% off. Again, solid deal, lifetime warranty for all of these. Pittsburgh ratcheting screwdriver set, 26-piece, 28% off, down to 10 bucks. Only 14 bucks. That's solid. For a ratcheting screwdriver set, those are super convenient. I have the Linus Tech Tips. Ratcheting screwdriver is probably one of my most used tools. No sponsorship, you should get it. I wish I could set up an affiliate link. Linus, let me sell your screwdriver. It's great. Pittsburgh half-inch drive SAE and metric high visibility socket set, 21-piece, 25 bucks, normally 30 bucks, 16% off. Pittsburgh's 3/8-inch drive long reach hex bit socket set, 7-piece, $10, normally 15 bucks, 33% off. Choice of SAE or metric. The Doyle 6-inch hitch vise at 90 bucks, $30 off. Good deal. Lifetime guarantee. Pittsburgh's 4-pound fiberglass drilling hammer, 9 bucks, 30% off. Pittsburgh Pro Alert cold chisel and punch set, 12-piece, 10 bucks, 33% off compared to Dasco Pro. And Essential Machinery 2 3/4-inch articulated vacuum vise, 16 bucks, 20% off. And then the number 33 bench plane Windsor design, 10 bucks, normally 13 bucks, 23% off compared to Stanley. We keep going. Merlin 1/4-inch brass industrial plug, 2 bucks, normally 3 bucks, 33% off. Choice of female or male. And then the 1/4-inch brass industrial coupler at $3.49, 25% off. Also choice of female or male. The McGraw 10-gallon 135 PSI oil lube horizontal shop auto air compressor, $180, normally $210, $30 off. Baxter 6-inch professional orbital composite air sander. I'm not even mad. Surprised you ate the whole ball of cheese. 80 bucks, normally 100 bucks, $20 off. High power spray gun cleaner at 9 bucks, 25% off from 3M. Good deal. Merlin's 16-ounce air tool oil at 5 bucks, 16% off. Central pneumatic 100-foot manual steel air hose reel, 20 bucks, normally 25 bucks, 20% off. Chief 1/4-inch professional composite straight air die grinder down to $40, normally 50 bucks, 20% off compared to Mac Tools. And then the Chief 1/4-inch professional extended air die grinder, 50 bucks, normally $69.99. Nice, 28% off also compared to Mac Tools. And then the Central pneumatic 3/4-inch cast aluminum air impact wrench twin hammer, 1,000 foot-pounds, $130, normally $180, $30, $50 off. Sounds like a great deal. $50 off of $180, 27, 28% off if you round up a little bit. 28% off, great deal compared to Clutch. Tool storage and organization. We have Yukon 5-tier shelf, 36 by 18 by 72 inch, 40 bucks, 33% off. Good deal. Really good deal. Super solid deal. Only 60 bucks. Then we have the US General 15-inch end cabinet at $250, only $30 off. It's not the greatest deal, just over 10% off. So unless you really need it, not the best deal. And US General, again, the 27-inch, 22-inch top chest, $220, $30 off of $250. And again, just over 10% off. So not the greatest deal, but both compared to Snap-on, it is US General, so if you need it, you can. Then we have the metal 50 caliber ammo can at 11 bucks, 45% off. Sick deal. US General 3/8-inch drive magnetic socket holders. Your choice of SAE or metric, 13 bucks, 35% off. Great deal on this. US General magnetic tray with screwdriver holder, 11 bucks. You're going to need this potentially if you've picked up your screwdrivers during the parking lot sale, 31% off. Also, again, really, really good deal. Bauer 24-inch tool bag with 16 pockets, 27 bucks, normally 30 bucks, only 10% off. US General side tray for 5-drawer mechanics cart, the 6-drawer full bank cart as well, $20. Normally 25 bucks, 20% off. US General, the 15 compartment adjustable pliers rack, $13. Normally 18 bucks, 27% off. Also a good option for all the pliers you're getting compared to Snap-on. And then US General folding side tray for the 4-drawer tech cart, 15 bucks, 25% off. Solid deal. The Yukon 48-inch by 72-inch garage cabinet at 400 bucks. Normally $450, $50 off. 3.6 rockin'. Yukon 30-inch by 72-inch garage cabinet, 300 bucks. A little bit better of a deal, but still not that great. Just under 20%, 300 bucks. Normally $350, $50 off. We continue. The Pittsburgh 2-ton low-profile floor jack with rapid pump, 110, normally 140, $30 off. But they got some decent deals going on right now for some floor jacks during the parking lot sale. 21% off though, it's not too bad. You have some options. This is the 2-ton low profile with rapid floor jack, so decent deal. Hallmaster 1,000-pound capacity 84-inch by 10-inch steel loading ramp, set of 2, 80 bucks, $20 off. Daytona 3-ton professional floor jack with rapid pump, 150, $30 off. 30 off of 180, only 16, 17% off. Been better deals, but not terrible, not great. Central Machinery 20-ton H-frame floor shop press, 210, $60 off, normally 270. It's not a bad deal. $60 off of 270 gets us to 22% off, just over actually, so decent deal. Maddox MR14 4.3-inch screen OBD2 code reader at 175, $25 off. Hallmaster 2 3/4 cubic foot steel trailer tongue box, 100 bucks, normally 120, $20 off. Then we have Hallmaster 800-pound capacity full-size truck rack at $269.99, normally 300 bucks, $30 off. Maddox disc brake pad and caliper service toolkit, 11-piece, 30 bucks, normally 42 bucks, 28% off. The Hallmaster 5,000-pound A-frame weather-resistant electric trailer jack with drop leg for an interesting price of $197.49. $32 off, normally $230. We have the Pittsburgh no spill radiator funnel kit, 28 bucks, 30% off. Solid deal, normally 40 bucks. Maddox MR10 2.8-inch screen OBD2 code reader, 80 bucks, only 11% off. And these code readers last year were, I think at one point, 40% off. So this is bad compared to that. Hallmaster trailer spare tire carrier, 20 bucks, 28% off. The Central Pneumatic air dent puller, $69.99. Nice, normally 80 bucks, 12% off. More Daytona, surprisingly, but the discount's no different. 3-ton low profile professional floor jack with rapid pump, $169.99 is almost nice. Only 200 bucks, but only $30 off. Then we have the Hallmaster 3-ton manual chain hoist at 100 bucks, normally 120, $20 off. The ST205 by 75 R15 18-20-pound capacity radial trailer tire at 130, normally 150, $20 off. Hallmaster's 5,000-pound capacity A-frame trailer jack at 40 bucks, 20% off is decent. And then the 500-pound capacity aluminum mobility wheelchair and scooter carrier from Hallmaster, 150, normally 180, $30 off. The 10,000-pound capacity weight distributing hitch, 200 bucks, normally 220, $20 off. And this also was off 40% off recently. The Hallmaster 800-pound universal aluminum truck rack, 240, normally 280, $40 off. Hallmaster 10,000-pound drop leg trailer jack at 130, normally 160, $30 off. And then the Hallmaster truck bed extender, $53.99, normally 60 bucks, 10% off. We keep going. Predator, 2,500 watt super quiet inverter generator with CO secure technology down to 540, $90 off. I feel like they should have just gone for the full 100, but $90 off of 630. Ooh, 3.6 rocket, less than 50%. And of course the HARBROs. And for those of you who are unaware, there is plenty of 15% coupons that come out throughout the year. And there's even some 20% coupons that they throw in. So anything below 15% is a no-go if you can wait. We continue. Predator, 8 horsepower, 301cc OHV horizontal shaft gas engine, 230, normally 250, $20 off. We have the Greenwood 100-foot by 3/4-inch contractor garden hose at 30 bucks, 21% off. Drummond's 1 1/3 horsepower submersible utility pump, 2,000 gallons per hour, $69.99. Nice. Normally 100 bucks, $30 off. Solid discount. And then the brand new Thunderbolt Solar 100-watt monocrystalline solar panel kit, 150, normally $169.99, $20 off. We have the 12-foot by 20-foot mesh all-purpose weather-resistant 4-ounce Tarp Bros tarpaulin, 45 bucks, normally 60 bucks, 25% off. Luminar Outdoor 66-foot warm white solar rope light, 15 bucks, 25% off. 7 and 4 inch by 9 foot 6 inch heavy duty reflective all purpose weather resistant 9mm harp, $7.49, only 10 bucks, 25% off. Then we have the One Stop Gardens 20-foot telescoping flagpole kit, 80 bucks, it's only 100 bucks, $20 off. Then we have Thunderbolt Magnum high capacity nickel metal hydride rechargeable batteries, AA and AAA 4-pack, 8 bucks, 20% off. Welding, we have the Welding table, the 36 by 24 modular welding table with welding fit up kit, $169.99, $20 off. Titanium 65 amp plasma cutter at $930, normally $1,000 bucks, $70 off is abysmal. The titanium 45 amp plasma cutter is $699.99. Better deal here, but still not that great. 100 bucks off, normally 800 bucks down to $699.99. Almost nice. Chicago Electric build design auto darkening welding helmet, 33 bucks, 26% off. And then the Vulcan 13.5 square inch premium arc safe auto darkening welding helmet, $150, $20 off. We do have a super coupon, and I feel like Harbor Freight is trying different things here, but this is buy a Predator trash water pump at full price, when they do have discounts on these here and there. I think they had one discount last year, but get 50% off select hoses, which I guess if you buy a water pump, you're going to need a hose. So just depending how expensive the hose are, and sometimes the hose can get pretty expensive. HFT 6 outlet power strip, $4, 20% off. Schneider 30 watt 5-in-1 hobby wood burner, $8, 38% off, solid deal. Franklin's 800-pound capacity appliance hand truck, $100, $30 off. The 80-inch by 144-inch extra large double-sided moving blanket, $13, 35% off from Franklin. Hallmaster 13-inch flat free tire with powder coated steel hub, $19.79, 10% off. Franklin's 5-inch by 1,000-foot high performance stretch wrap to $7, normally 10 bucks, 30% off. Hallmaster 3-inch cast iron swivel caster at $5, 44% off. Good time to get some iron swivel casters. Carbon monoxide alarm, 18 bucks, 10% off. Looks like battery and hardware are included. Hercules 25-foot by 1.25-inch tape measure with double hook, 13 bucks, 18% off. Franklin's 900-pound capacity multi-purpose scaffold, $200, $40 off. We got the 1.5-inch angle paintbrush, good quality, 40% off, down to $1.49. And then last but not least, but end it with a doozy actually, we have Icon Alert, the 2100 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic 77-inch extendable underhood floodlight. And there's a lot of things that hit here. It is down to $69.99. Nice. $100, normally $30 off. That's 30% off, which is super solid. Super solid for this light compared to Snap-on. So we ended on a high note, $30 off. And those are the super coupons that are coming up starting April 14th, going through April 26th. What do the HARBROs think? Let me know. Again, hopefully your parking lot sale spring Black Friday is going great. I'm going to go here in the next day or so to go buy our tool bag that we have built, HARBROs, that we built during our live. A lot of fun. But I'll leave it at that. Happy harbor freighting. Happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.